Okay, hello everyone, it's teacher friend for your English lesson. How are you today? First, how are you today? Teacher Frank is fine, so I hope you are fine too. Okay, so today we will go on a new unit, okay, unit 6, and speak about going to the farm. Okay, so what do you have in a farm? First of all, you have there are animals, isn't it? Yes. So we will talk about first about the animals. Okay, so which kind of animals do we have in the farm? So let's take a look on that. So you listen and you repeat after me. Okay, so animals and their babies. So on the left, take a look on the left. A sheep, a lamb, a cow, a calf, a pig, a piglet, a hen. Yes, it's a bit cut. It's a hen. I think you know that. A hen, a chick. In the water, we have a duck, a yellow duck, a duckling, a goose, and a gosling, a gosling. Gosling, gosling. Okay, you cannot see it, but I tell you. Okay, I spell it already. On the right, a goat and a kid. Okay, so repeat that 2 times. Okay, 2 times. Then after I will have some question for you. So don't forget, every time take a piece of paper, take a piece of paper to write some new words. Okay, and if you have some sentences, you can write it too. Okay, so let's go on to the next page. So now your piece of paper, take your piece of paper, sorry, piece of paper, uh, a pen, and write the answers. Okay, so on the left, you remember on the left, on the right. So on the left. So there is a there is a chick, there is a horse, there is a goose, there is a calf, there is a sheep. Okay? So there is because there is just one animal. Okay? So if we start to have two, three, four, 100, 1,000 animals, you will write, there are. Okay? So let's take a look on these sentences. There are chicks. They are horses. They are geese. They are calves. And they are sheep. You just see, so most of the time, you just add an has, sorry, up, an has, a chick, chicks, horse, horses, calf, calves. Okay, because you have a half, so the F transform into VES. Okay, it's a grammar rule, but don't worry. Okay, you just have to learn that, and you will not forget. Okay, so most of the time you employ and you had an S, but for some animals like goose, after sorry, if you have two, three, or five, or maybe 1 million, it's geese. Okay, but you can see about sheep. You have one sheep or three sheep. That's the same. Like fish, it's the same. You don't have any s or not es or something like that. Okay, so a sheep, three sheep. Okay, so you just have to learn that. Okay, and try to use it. So don't forget, one animal. There is more than one. There are. Okay, so try this. Okay, so we have some sentences, sorry, and after a little exercise. So listen to me and repeat after me. Let's go. Do you have any cows? Yes, I do. If you don't have, what do you will answer me? If you don't have. Do you have any cows? No, I don't. No, I don't. Okay? So next, what do they eat? Kinalai, what do they eat? About the cows. They eat grass. Grass. Okay? So finally, you have the sentence. Tom has some cows. They eat grass. Okay? So don't forget to learn the new word grass. So let's take a look just after that. Animals. Hey, just take a look. Okay. Sorry about this. Okay, so finish. Okay. Okay. Okay, so next. So you have animals here. So what do you have? Which kind of animal do you have on the picture? So try to make the sentences correctly. There are a duck and a duckling. There are a lamb and a sheep. Sorry, yes, yes. A sheep and a lamb. The sheep and the baby is a lamb. Sorry. And after, there are three goats. Okay. So the question is, what these animals eat? What these animals eat? They eat grass. All of these animals eat grass. Okay? The duck, the duckling, the sheep, the lamb, and the goat eat grass. Okay? So try to make the sentence and repeat after me. So next go on the, we can go on the next page, sorry. Okay, so you try to read that now. So listen to me, then repeat after me. My aunt is a farmer. She has a big farm. A farm? Yes. She has cows, pigs, geese, ducks, ants, goats, and sheep. So this is a big farm. Cows give us milk. I like milk. Ants give us eggs. I like eggs. So let's go to my aunt's farm. Good idea. Okay, so try to read that slowly and just check that. Cows give us milk, hens give us eggs. Okay, try to make the sentence. Okay, so reading time too. So I want you to read the more you can. So listen carefully and just repeat after me. Okay, so I will read that for you, then repeat after me. Hello, children. Welcome to my farm. There are many animals here: cows, ducks, I cannot see, ducks, ants, horse, sheep, geese, and pigs. Look at the animals. Ducks and geese are swimming in the pond. Ants are looking for worms. Cows are chewing grass like this. Chewing grass. Like a chewing gum. It's the same, but chewing grass. Horses are galloping in the fields. Fields, you cannot see, but if you go on the page 59, you have the word, okay? On the field, Fields. Sheep are eating grass on the hill, and goats are climbing the rocks. Okay, so I want you to read that 2 times, okay? And take your time to pronounce correctly, okay? Okay, that's the last page, okay? So today we see many animals, okay? So try to learn it. The new animals of the farm, about grass, swimming in the water. Um, what can we see? Yes, horses, sheep, geese, pigs, all the vocabulary of the farm. Okay, so try to speak about this and try to read a bit. Okay, so the lesson is a bit long, so I finish with that today. So try to do your best, and teacher Frank say goodbye to you and see you next week. Okay, so see you next week, maybe at school or maybe on new video. Okay, take care. Bye bye.